All right, guys, let me show you how to check flat cars. Very important part, how to check the engine on a flat car and see if it's good or not, or at least get a better idea. All right, so one thing you can do is, let's say we have this 2019 Cadillac XTS. It was a flat car. So what you can do is, at the auction, even when you're looking at the car at the auction, if you can, you take like a little screwdriver with you and you try to remove this. This is the air filter box connected to the throttle body. This is the throttle body. That's where the air comes into the engine. So basically you unscrew this screw, you take this off. I already kind of took it off. So you can see for the signs of water in the intake, right? So you see over here, we definitely see some leaves, some water, moisture, see? So that's a bad sign, guys. That means the water was in the intake system. And if you actually look in the throttle body right here, you see it's all this white stuff there. That's water, guys. That's most likely was salt water, actually. So that's how you can tell if the water got inside the engine. So it looks like what happened was somebody drove through water and some water got inside the intake system, got inside the engine, and now the engine is hydro-locked, so it doesn't turn. So most likely the engine is bad in this case. So this is always a bad sign. If you see like signs of water in the throttle body and the intake system, chances are the engine is shot. There is a small chance that we may be able to save it. So what we're doing right now, we're taking out the spark plugs and the coils, and then we will try to turn the engine, you know, and see if it's gonna turn. Because sometimes the water got in, but nothing broke inside the engine. So in this case, you may be able to save it, even though there was some water in it. But if it wasn't sitting for too long with water inside the engine, you may be able to save it, you know. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take this out, take the spark plugs out, and see if the engine is any good. But if not, we'll just have to replace it. So this is how you check the engine on a water damaged car, to see if it's bad or not, you know, or at least to get a better idea. Okay.